Alright guys, today I'm going to be making the Midwest Finesse jig, better known as the Ned rig. I'm making the jig heads for those today. I'm going to use the Do It Molds Midwest Finesse jig mold. So let's get started. Done got my mold heated up, got my leg going. I like to pour the 3/16 size. So you insert your hook, and you have a wire keeper. It's a WB400. You can pick him up wherever you get your molds, or do it molds, Barlow Tackle, Jan's Netcraft. Any of those guys carry them. Insert your wire keeper, your hook. Close your mold. You want to hear that click. Make sure you ain't got no gap up front. Get your lead ready. Get a little bit ladle. Ladle them right in there. Give it just a couple seconds for it to cool down. Now we got another one. Pretty quick and easy. I'll pour me a dozen or so of these and I'll be back with you in just a little bit. Alright guys, after you get done pouring, you want to take your sprue off. What I do is get me a little small pair of side cutters, barely make an indentation on it. Get it, hold it by the head, switch it off. Put this back in your lead pot. Do the same thing on this, just barely clip it. Grab it, hold on to the lead head, twist the sprue off. If you don't hold on to the lead, if you try to do it while it's still warm, it'll make your hook loose. So you got to be careful with that. You want to let them get cooled completely down. And I like to take a file, hit the top of this head so that it gets good and round. You want to hit all the burrs off the top. That way when you hit the bottom of it, it won't stand up. Alright guys, we'll go ahead and powder coat these. I'm going to do these green pumpkin. Go over the heat gun. I want to heat these up about 15, 20 seconds. That's all you'll need on these small jigs like this. Keep rotating it around, get even heat around them. Heat it up. Alright, she's good and warm. Go over to the powder paint. All you're going to do, swish it in real quick, pull it right back out. There you go. Hang it up on the rack. Get another one. Do the same thing. Keep it moving, so you keep it constant heat, even heat all the way around. That way your powder paint will adhere real well. You won't have no big old clump. Back over to your powder paint. Dip it in, swish it around, good to go. Hang it on the rack. Alright guys, we'll get these in the oven about 22 to 24 minutes. Slide the rack right in there. Set our timer. 23 minutes, be good. Starting now. Alright guys, we'll get these things out of the oven. They've been in there for timer went off. Good looking Ned rigs. Alright guys, got the Ned rig jig done. Turned out real well. These look real good with the TRD or a crawl or any other Ned rig bait. If you like these videos, please subscribe. Got a lot more videos coming out. Trying to get them uploaded as quick as I can. If you got any comments, please leave them below. Anything you want to see, any questions you may have, leave me a comment. Thank you. Have a good day.